What's the meaning of Braveheart? Braveheart. Braveheart.
Braveheart. Braveheart. Braveheart is a term that refers to someone who displays great courage and bravery in the face of adversity. The term originated from the 1995 movie Braveheart, which depicted the story of Scottish warrior William Wallace and his fight against English oppression in the 13th century. The movie portrayed Wallace's fearless dedication to his cause, even in the face of great danger and personal sacrifice. Today, the term Braveheart has become synonymous with courage and valor, and is often used to describe individuals who exhibit these traits in their daily lives or in extraordinary circumstances.